it is general reading, this may or may not resonate. Okay, if it doesn't, check out your other placements. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be below.
All right. Let's see. Overall energy, we do have the Strength in reverse. Okay, so there is this energy of where someone's giving up, tired of dealing with a situation over and over and over again. This is also someone who could be lacking courage. We'll see when we clarify. What's on your mind is the Five of Cups in reverse. So you're definitely moving on from a situation which was very, very disappointing. You could be crying over spilt milk for a very long time, okay? But now you're moving on, okay? You're trying to see if the grass is greener on the other side, but this is definitely moving on from a breakup, all right? On their mind is the Wheel of Fortune, so they're waiting for the right time, okay? This person wants growth, expansion, positive changes with you, okay? But they're waiting for the right time. Yeah, they feel very positive when it comes to you. In your feelings is the Emperor, okay? So I feel that you have put your boundaries up, you're pausing up and taking control of a situation, and you could have felt that the situation was out of control, okay? So you've set healthy boundaries and you're not ready to budge. More like a my way or the highway kinds, but in a good way, okay? You want structure, you want commitment, you want something serious, something long-term, okay? You're dealing with the situation very, very logically and you feel it's the best to walk away from this situation, okay? Although all is not lost, you realize that you can go somewhere else and build that stability with someone else, okay? If this is what this person is not giving you. Seven of Wands in reverse here. You're definitely dealing with someone who had their guards up. This was someone who was very defensive towards you, okay? They felt the need to protect themselves from you. Could be because of past experiences that they've had where someone could have screwed them over in another relationship. They feel the need to stand up for themselves, okay? But in a way where they don't even know what they were fighting against, you know? They probably felt you could harm them, hurt them in some way. So something like that, okay? So this could be someone who's pushing you away. Even if you were good for them, they would try to push you away, okay? So they had like those boundaries, but they still didn't know what they were fighting against is what I'm getting, okay? But they're letting their guards down now. Could be someone who's keeping you at arm's length. The action you'll take is the Ten of Swords here. So I feel you're putting an ending to something, okay? This is a very painful ending here, but you feel backstabbed and betrayed. But there could be a lot of overthinking, over analyzing, feeling like a martyr, feeling like a victim out here, okay? But that victim mentality, that's what's dying here, okay? The action they plan on taking is the Six of Pentacles in reverse here. So yeah, this is just still a one-sided situation. They're not sure if you're still going to invest into the situation with them, okay? So yeah, that's still someone which is, it's still going to remain one-sided, okay? They're still not planning on to take any action towards you, only because with the Wheel of Fortune here, they're waiting for the right time, all right? I feel this is still lack of investment from their side. Of course, the most important mutual energy, Two of Cups. Superb. You both love each other, but alright. Four of Pentacles, likely outcome. So yes, there is still a lot of holding back. Of course, right? Because this person is not ready to give in. So they're still in that state of shutdown here. Could be you, could be them, could be both. Alright, tell me why is the Strength in reverse here? Why is the Strength in reverse? Yeah. I feel there is an ending of a cycle here. You shut down a cycle with someone, you closed a chapter with this person, okay? You're giving up. You could have held on to this person for a very long time. But either you are emotionally closed off or you were dealing with someone who is emotionally manipulative, someone emotionally shut down, okay? And you're looking for something very balanced here. So you feel by shutting this circle off with this person and letting this person go and surrendering and letting go of the outcome, the attachment, you feel with the Six of Pentacles, you're trying to bring balance to your life here and you're ending a cycle with this person, okay? Only because this was someone who you were dealing with who was just had trust issues with you, or they were just very manipulative, okay? They wanted all the emotions from you, but when to contributing with you, that's when they were not giving in. They were only taking from you, but not giving. But you're ending something with this person here. Why I'm saying it? Because I see you moving on. Tell me about the Wheel of Fortune. What is this Wheel of Fortune here on this person's mind? Wow. Definitely 9 of Wands, 5 of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. This is someone who's very, very guarded, okay, from you. They're very guarded. They just feel the need to stay away from you because they're exhausted, okay. With the 5 of Swords here, I feel this person is still in their ego. They still want a victory with you, okay. But this is someone who wants to win under any cost, someone very sabotaging. So they're still sabotaging this connection. They want to make an investment towards you. They want to come in with something stable, something secure. But with the 9 of Wands here, this person is very intimidated by you is what I'm getting. They feel the need to stay away from you, okay. Although emotionally they feel they want to get their guards down, but the reason why they're still holding on, okay, I don't feel this person's given up. You have given up on that person. This is still wounded, beaten, battered, exhausted, but still not giving up, okay. So they're still holding on to you because probably with the 5 of Swords here, this person sees you walking away. I feel this person also feels defeated. But more than anything, I feel they have that determination to make things work out with you, okay? Because they have this offer here for you. It's a very small offer, probably even raising the white flag, an apology, a gift, something, okay? But they're still very, they feel the need to protect themselves from you. Very defensive energy. But they're waiting for the right time, okay? They are. And at the right time, I don't know what is the right time for them, but they feel at the right time they will come in with that offer. Why is the 7 of Wands in reverse? Okay. The kind of person you're dealing with, right? This is a very slow moving energy, okay? So in their feelings, they are letting their guards down. We have the 7 of Wands in reverse twice, okay? Which means they genuinely feel, they don't feel the need to protect themselves from you, okay? They know that you're not going to hurt them, all right? This could be someone who's blocked you. They're finally unblocking you is what I'm getting. Because with the Queen of Cups in reverse here, they definitely, we have the King and Queen here, okay? So you're both deeply in love, but you're both in the reverse. You've both withdrawn, right? Because this person withdrew, so they see you as someone who's emotionally unavailable, probably someone who's bitter, but at the same time they see you as not giving them the attention, the unconditional love that you always gave them, okay? You're focusing on your love, on your self-love right now, but the only problem here with the Temperance is this person's going to make you wait. They're going to make you wait before they come towards you. Like I said, Wheel of Fortune, Temperance here. It's all divine timing. But again, it's all about this person very, very slow. This is someone who's too slow, you know, when it comes to moving towards you. They're just in no hurry, in no rush. Okay? But they do see you as someone shut off. So earlier they were shut off. I'm sorry, I hope you can hear me. Earlier, they were shut off emotionally. Now you're shut off emotionally, okay? You could be someone very, very emotional, okay, Gemini? You could have water in your birth chart somewhere. But yeah. They don't see you giving in this time, you know? That's why they're like, you know what? Like, let me unblock Gemini before... I mean, because they don't see you as making a move. And you're not. Because you're standing your ground here with the Emperor here, you know? Tell me about the 2 of Cups. Why is this a neutral energy? Tell me about the 2 of Cups. How sweet. You're both watching each other on social media, spying, stalking, looking at each other from a distance, but not talking. You both want to start a brand new beginning, okay? You both want to take a leap of faith, and if you both were confused, or at least one of you was living more in their head, right? Ace of Swords in reverse here. Wanting to release yourself from a situation, okay? More like a jail, like a mind prison, okay? So there's someone here who's very scared, living in their own fears, okay? But there is this energy of wanting to do more research about how to come towards you. This person looks like this is this more of this person. They're releasing themselves, okay, from something that they feel very stuck, tied and bound to. They want to take a leap of faith with you, but they're still waiting for some information, okay? 2 of Pentacles. They're trying to juggle, weigh out the pros and cons, or at least they're juggling the idea of whether to come towards you or not, or what is the right time. I keep getting time. I don't know what they're waiting for, but they're waiting for the right time. And I don't know how they're going to know if it's the right time. But Temperance is definitely divine timing at work, okay? Something's going on behind the scenes. Why is the 6 of Pentacles in reverse? Why is this the action? I mean, that's a very weird action card, right? They're still not giving in. Why is the 6 of Pentacles in reverse? It could also mean that this person could feel that they could be taken advantage of. Or One card. Yeah. For right now, the action, they're letting this situation go, okay? Because look, you both have the Ten of Swords here. They too and you too. You both feel very backstabbed and betrayed. You're both hurting, okay? So Gemini, if you think they're not hurting, they are. Exactly as much as you are, okay? They see things for what it is, okay? And they feel it's best for this week, for the end of Jan, they want to release the situation because it's becoming more of a burden to them rather than that happiness, okay? It's a situation which is getting them very overwhelmed and they're just not being able to carry on the burdens of this, okay? It's overwhelming them. Ten of Swords, overanalyzing, overthinking, feeling like a victim. So right now, they do feel used probably, okay? They feel taken advantage of. So there is nothing happening from their side, no action. Let's see, why is the action Ten of Swords? Why is this the Ten of Swords here? Why is this the action that Gemini will take? Tell me more about the Ten of Swords here on Gemini's side. You're very confused, Gemini. You're trying to see things from another point of view, okay? You're very, very confused. You don't know what is going on. Because with the Hangman here, there's no movement here, okay? You're trying to see things from another point of view, but with the Five of Cups here, there's so much disappointment, okay? Which is literally leading to this Ten of Swords energy, okay? Overkill. Exaggeration. It could be exaggeration. Five of Cups, yes, it is the card of someone literally going through a lot of trauma, okay? It's a very traumatized experience, okay? And you're still in it. That's one of the reasons why you're so confused. You're still in that illusions, okay? You're still making illusions about what's going on. You have no clarity here. And with the Hangman here, looks like you're also not doing anything, okay? Things are just stuck and stagnant. You're thinking a lot about this situation, but you refuse to take action towards this person. No wonder the Four of Pentacles is a likely outcome. You're both holding back. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? I don't want 4 cards. Give me 3 cards. Are you serious? Still giving me 4 cards. Alright, no problem. 7 of Swords, Devil in reverse, Judgment, and the 6 of Wands. I feel someone's strategizing. 7 of Swords. I feel there's a lot of planning and strategy going on. There's someone here who's releasing that sabotaging energy or releasing something. Someone's making a very final decision, okay, of not moving forward in this relationship. It looks like it's you, Gemini, because with the 6 of Wands in reverse here, this is the decision you're making, okay, because you feel the need to close this chapter, right? Because with the World here, we already see a cycle closing. You feel the need, and with the Judgment here, this is the kind of calling that you keep hearing, okay? You're letting this relationship go because it's very, very toxic, and you're making a final call, a final decision of not moving forward because you feel neglected, you feel unappreciated, undervalued, etc. Okay, you're probably not even getting the attention that you want from this person. And I feel with the 7 of Swords here, you're walking away. Honestly, I don't see you walking away with the 8 of Cups here, but the 7 of Swords here, I feel you're being a little deceptive here, you know? You're deceptively walking away. You're trying to sneak away from this person. This person is still thinking about you. They're not walking away. You're the one who's being more sneaky, Gemini. You're walking away in a way where it's more sneaky, more deceptive. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you're not literally letting this person know that you're emotionally detaching from them, okay? But you're just trying to do it in a manner which is more, say, not a very straightforward approach, okay, when you're walking away. And you're just being closed off. I feel you're trying to teach this person a lesson. I feel you are, by ignoring this person, not giving them the attention, because you could be dealing with someone who's an attention seeker, right? Yeah, that's what you're doing, and you're staying closed off. You're purposely doing it. You're trying to create, wearing a false mask here. But for now, you are walking away, Gemini, but I think it's you. You're making a final decision of walking away for right now and not giving this person any attention because it's not been successful in the past here. But I feel you're doing it in a very sneaky way, if you understand what I'm saying. So that's what I have for you, Gemini. I hope this reading resonates with you. Do leave your comments below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.